Hey, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. I'm here with a review of the Jabra Elite Active 75T. At the time of this review, the Elite Active 75T is priced at $200. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Click on the bell icon to get notified when we upload new ones. This is the Jabra Elite Active 75T. When it comes to sound quality and engineering, you can always count on Jabra to deliver. Jabra took everything we loved about the Elite 75T earbuds and made them waterproof for just $20 more. The original Jabra 75T was impressive, but the Active version's new coating gives the headphone a premium feel and better IP ratings to get some long-term use out of it. Inside the box, the earbuds are the first things you will see. The box also holds the charging case, a USB Type-C cable, 2 additional ear tips, and all your documentation. The Elite Active 75T shares the same attractive aesthetics as the Elite 75T, and it's 22% smaller than the Elite Active 65T. The older 75Ts have an IPX55 rating. Jabra bumped up the coding to an IPX57 for the Active model. Jabra also notes that the earbuds can be submerged in fresh water for up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. The new coating on the device promises to hold up better during sporting activities. The company also decided to coat the case with the same material, giving it the same premium feel. Despite not being water resistant, it affords enough protection to keep the buds secure when not in use. The magnetic lids shut tightly, while the magnetic connectors on the inside keep the earbuds locked in. If you're interested in getting your hands on one, the 75T Active comes in a variety of colors to choose from. The basic colors are navy, titanium black, and copper black. Other colors such as gray, sienna, and mint will hit store shelves sometime in spring 2020. Weighing in at about 50 grams, the earbuds are pretty light and fit nice. They're comfortable to wear for longer listening sessions without feeling artificial. There is no active noise cancellation on board like Apple's $250 AirPods, but the Jabra Elite Active 75T is good at passively blocking out ambient noise thanks to its snug fit. Tapping the left button once for the hear-through feature allows you to hear your surroundings for safety and awareness, and I can say for a fact that this feature was implemented well on the earboard. The Elite Active 75T spots similar audio quality to its predecessor. It comes with the ability to fine-tune your preferences in the Sound Plus app. We also had to run an update when we first connected the earbuds to the app. The Jabra Sound Plus app lets you set one-touch access to a voice assistant of your choice. To push the features a little further, you can tweak the 5 already set EQs or create your own EQ setting to sound the way you want it. I prefer the bass boost option on this earbud as it gives you that shoulder-thumping bass when you need it. Aside the fit and audio quality, my favorite Elite Active feature is the battery life. This rivals most premium earbuds. These earbuds can last up to 7.5 hours on a single charge, while the charging case holds up to 28 more hours of battery life. The 75T Active also comes with a quick charge feature. This means that 15 minutes of charge time will give you an hour of playback. I've been using these things for a couple of days now, and I could barely drain the charging case, which is currently at 25%. The Jabra 75T Active are well designed. Even with the absence of ear fins or other attachments, they comfortably stay in place and are hard to shake off. These earbuds are a strong buy for music lovers, active people, or anyone else who is looking for a waterproof earphone with a super secure fit. For those of you who use the older version of the Active 75T, everything else remains the same, from the powerful bass heavy sound signature to adjustable EQ via one of the best companion apps we've tested. All this makes the Elite Active 75T worth the extra $20. To be frank with you, if it's a better IP rating, a more secure in-ear fit, and an app with an audio and operational customization, then Jabra has an edge over most recent earbuds. I'll say that the Elite Active 75T earphones are worth the $20 premium over the standard model, thanks to the extra secure fit and fully waterproof design. Well, that's it for hands-on of the Jabra Elite Active 75T. It's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos.